Alright. Let me make sure my phone is off. Make sure this thing is going. I hope everyone has had a good day. Hope everyone had a good day today. It's cold as hell. There she is. Cold as hell. Here in Doyleen. Here on Lake Bistino. Let's see. Just give me 1 second. So Bitcoin is dumping. We're gonna get right to the thumbnail. Her last hope. Bitcoin's last hope. If I could find this fucking thing. There we go. Right, I'm ready. Let's do a bit of TA. Put on the old glasses here. Okay, so daily. Here we are on the daily. Money flow's coming out. Actually, let's go down to the 4 hour. Stop moving stuff. Okay. Let's see. So Bitcoin's last hope is this 0.5 fib. My personal opinion. You know, well, I know I'm just some YouTuber. I don't even have 100 subscribers. Okay. Not financial advice here. Why do I say it's its last hope? I'll tell you. I'm gonna tell you. Alright, right here we're pulling some volume. Oh no, let's turn the music down just a hair. Turn it down just a little bit. Alright, so these levels here, holding pretty decent. High volume node. But 87 is going to be your last real support if she keeps dumping the way she's been dumping. We're going to have to hold 87. Are the probabilities more than likely? We're looking at a volume standpoint. What am I doing, guy? Just from a volume standpoint, you lose this 87 right here, where your last little bit of volume in this last run really came in. There's nothing really stopping you until 75. No real volume here, even at the levels. You know, you'll crash right through the spider lines, through the fibs. But it looks like we're gonna leapfrog these VWAPs. Awesome. So that's Bitcoin's last hope to continue upwards anytime soon, is this 87. Because the volume just doesn't look great until about 75. Until we get to about 75. $25, 22%. Let's go from the top. To the 75, 30%. 20, 30% corrections all the time after big run-ups. It makes sense. If we start losing the 87 mark, 87.5, we start losing these levels, we get down into the 86. I mean, there's not, after 86, it's just a straight shot down. Straight shot down. Okay, but we are here for the VWAP reset. It has probably reset. Yeah, it has. We got 20 minutes worth of data on the 1 minute. Oh, blood diamond. See what she's talking about here. Need volume on the small time frame. Alright. He is above VWAP. Money flow came in. But man, I just would not be looking for longs. Momentum on the 1 minute. It's getting down there. It looks like we're going to lose VWAP and we'll have another leg down. Okay, we'll have to wait for a little bit more data to come in here. We'll have to wait just a minute. If we're able to hold this intraday VWAP that just reset, we could be getting a little bounce here. I have not taken any trades today. I just now, well, not just now, about 2 hours. 2 hours been able to sit down in my office and stare at my screens, but I've been working on Bushido Battle of the Realms, an open world RPG fantasy, samurai fantasy RPG, I guess is what I would classify it as. An open world fantasy samurai RPG. Should have some good videos to share tomorrow. I'm setting up quest right now, trying to add voice dialogue to the quest. You know, just a little extra. Where it's just not a bunch of reading. You'll actually get a little bit of dialogue, voice dialogues. Man, she's crashing. Yeah. Lose that VWAP. The money flow comes out. This could be another leg down. Have to watch this 1 hour right here. Gonna watch the 1 hour. I just feel like she's about to come down. Money flow's coming out. There it is. This is the strategy we like to see. Now we just need a higher time frame. What are we on, the 1 minute? Yeah. That 10-minute VWAP's coming down. Looks like she might go under the 0. 5-minute red dot coming down. Closing below that VWAP, the intraday VWAP. Money flow is going to come out on this 1 minute and she's going to go. $93. Where's 93 at? Right here. Above. Above the previous VWAP. We'll wait. You're about the VWAP's curving up on that 1 minute. Looks like she could come up and bounce her head right here with money flow coming out. We're just gonna wait for a couple confirmations. Money flow is getting high, but it does have that curve down. You see, she tried here, but did not succeed. I'm not liking that. Well, I am liking it for sure. But if you wanted to see better, hopefully the money flow doesn't keep coming up on this 10. Hopefully that's just a little crest over the 0 line. We're gonna have to come back above this intraday VWAP if we're thinking about longing anything. I'm just looking for the next short. I'm looking for the next leg down. I think the VWAP on the 4 hour was curving up. VWAP on the 8 hours coming up, trying to get to that 0 line. She could reject. Yeah, she just reset. I don't know. I feel like 4 days. 3 day. Just started printing a red dot here. Probably got one confirmed, or it's printing on the 2 day now. She's not looking good, looking like she might have another leg down. Now money is coming in on the 1. She's gonna fight to try to get above this VWAP. Let's see if she's gonna hold. It's all about this VWAP. I love the intraday VWAP. Especially on the reset, it can give you a good feel for what the market might do in the next 24 hours. But I mean, right now we all know the trend is down. Trend is down. So we're going to be looking for our shorts. She didn't do it. VWAP's going to cross down. It's going to cross down. We got 30 seconds. I might place a little order. Place me a little order. Cause I just feel like she got a little leg down. Come down a little bit. Let's see what the 10 minute does. It's probably gonna start hinging real tight, or you'll see a red dot here soon. Attention. Boy, was that a green dot on the bottom? Sure enough it was. Ooh, tension up. Look at her. Look at her. This is why we're waiting. This is why you wait. Money flow's coming up. Nice little bounce off that 0 line. And usually when money flow comes in, and you can hold it. No, that's not very deep momentum on the bottom. might be a good area. Good area to hit this in order if you're looking for a short. That's what we're looking for. Don't really want to quite long in something like this. We just had, VWAP's looking like she could cross over. She bounced on the 1 minute. Money flow was coming in on the 1. Not looking too hot now. I mean, money flow's still coming up. I don't think we got above the VWAP though. No, we're just hitting our head. Hitting our head. Man, I'm wanting to go short. Wanting to go short. I'm not too sure though, the 5 minute. See what the 1 hour. Probably have to wait. To see what this 1 hour VWAP's gonna do. Money flow is on the uprise. I mean, she can ebb and flow. 2 hour, putting in a green dot. Hour and a half to confirm it. Same as the 3 hour. We might wait. Unless I'm real confident. And this little scout looks like she bounced pretty well. Yeah, hit her head right on that VWAP. We're just gonna wait though, because she very well could come above VWAP. I felt like she had more room to go though. Waiting on one of these higher time frames. I mean, that looks like it's it, huh? 5 minutes left. See what the 5 minutes doing. VWAP's probably gonna keep coming down. Yeah, she has more room to go. I like my stop loss to be it's above 93 right now. That wouldn't be a bad little run. I think I could hold that. 10 minute crossing over, 15. Once 2, we got 10 minutes left. I could probably hit this in order on a short. That's what it feels like. Just a quick little something, maybe get in some profit. Wait for the next little curve down. Damn, there she goes. I want to catch the bottom of the candle and that VWAP starts shooting back up. Wait for a minute. No, this is it. This is it. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and hit send order. Placed. It is placed. We are in the trade. And now we wait. Hopefully price doesn't come up and take us out. Alright, let's see. See what she does here. There she is. Boom. Above VWAP just pumping up. Starts taking these highs, might close it. I'll be down about 25. Jeez. But as soon as I close it, she'll start coming back down. Hold it for another minute. Money flow's coming up. VWAP's curving down. Have 1 minute left on this 10. What's this 10 gonna do? She's gonna bounce off that 0 line. Five's curving. We got a fight on our hands here. No bueno. I'm gonna go ahead and close it. Down 17. Lost that one. While we wait. That's while we wait. Trying to front run it. Oh well. Looks like money flow is coming out. Coming back down on the 15. See the one just ripping up there. Curving up on the VWAP. Money flow's kind of high. Well above the VWAP, 5 minute green dot VWAP shooting up. Looks like money flow is going to try to come in. Maybe open a few candles above this intraday VWAP. You could see a bounce from here. I think on the 4 hour VWAP was curving up. 3 hour, got your green dot printing. See the 2 hour, also a green dot. Sure, one just, yeah. So we could be seeing a nice little bounce coming in. Money flow's getting real high, or not real high, but coming up sharply on the 1 hour. Looks like it has a curve down on the 30 minute though, but that VWAP's looking good. .4 minute, I mean, it's looking pretty good. You got your divs playing out. We can come above this intraday VWAP. The bleeding might be over. She might be over. What a fool. Should have waited for the 10 minute to confirm. So I just lost $20. $20 because I tried to front run and didn't wait for the 10 minute. Because I was on this 1 minute. Like an idiot. And look at that. On the second hand, I should have trusted my TA, huh? Right here. .925. Oh. till she opens under VWAP. Just waiting to see if we're going to lose this VWAP with maybe money flow coming out. Oh man, it doesn't look like it. Money flow's coming in on the 5. VWAP's curving up. She just started ripping on this 1. Let's see what she does. Looks like she's trying to hold this intraday VWAP here as support. Very well could be. I'm interested to see what the 1 hour does here. I just tried to short it and lost $20 because I was trying to front run the 10 minute here. I thought, man, she's about to come down, and I didn't wait for my confirmation. Ooh. See the 1 hour. What's the 1 hour gonna do? We got 10 minutes left. I want to see if she keeps coming up or if she's going to curve down a little bit. Looks like the money flow could start coming up on the 15, getting closer to the 0 line. Looks like we could bounce with the VWAP as well, like you see here. Bounce on that VWAP. Start opening above your intraday VWAP here. And we got a little fight on our hands. Looks like she's trying to hold the intraday. She going to? Could we see a little bit of a bounce here? A little stoppage of some bleeding. I don't know, even if she's still getting higher, more and more bear divs are forming on the 1 minute. Money flow is curving up. I mean, obviously, look at her go. She's trying to get back to 93. She's trying to get back to the previous day VWAP. She could reject hard. Could reject hard off of 93, around 93.
To deliver the freshest food right to your door.
Waiting to see money flows coming in good on the 5 minute. How long we got on this? 15.6. Yeah, I could expect money flow to start curving up on this 15 minute as well. Once give it another 6 minutes. Waiting to see what the 1 hour does here as well. I want to see what the VWAP's looking good on the 1 hour. RSI's probably not as tight as you want them. You got some good dibs though, and I'm pretty sure 2 hour and 3 hour putting in green dots, deep green dots. VWAP's coming up. Money flow is out on what, 3 hour, probably not coming out on the 4, actually shooting up on the 4. VWAP's coming up on the 4 very well. This could be a nice little bounce. Maybe not a nice little bounce, but you know, a little relief from all this dumpage. Okay. We got 5 minutes left on the 1 hour. She's coming above VWAP, real nice. Money flows coming in. Looks like she could be trying to splash down and confirm support. You'd like to see this VWAP keep coming up. Maybe you can put in a new anchor. But she looks like she's going to be a bear trigger. We got to keep in mind, the whole time the price has been getting higher here. Our momentum is getting lower. But she is trying not to just completely keep dumping. I'm still looking for the short. We need to be below VWAP with money flow coming out, preferably. No real bull or bear divs on the 5 though. Oh no, that's mixed signals. Oh yeah, it's probably gonna bounce a little bit here. Probably gonna bounce a little bit, and you can put in new anchor waves. That could happen. Money flows coming in on the 5. VWAP has a chance to keep going. She has a chance. You got the 12 to the -5 on your DBSIs. Your bands are starting to hold you up as well on marketcipher A. Watch this 1 minute. We got 3 minutes here. Or this 1 minute, 1 hour. We got 3 minutes. 3 minutes. 3.5. It was kind of obvious we was going to get a bounce looking at the 1 hour. He's looking good. Looking good for a little bounce. I mean, I don't know how high the bounce is going to be. Katie! Hold on, I'm almost done. Anyway. It's my daughter, Katie Eleanor Grace. Katie Eleanor Grace Moore. Love her to death. Has me wrapped around her little finger. Yeah, good bull divs. Good bull divs. Can't believe I shorted. Can't believe I shorted this 1 hour. I really didn't short the 1 hour. I thought this 10 Thought the 10 was gonna try to front runner like an idiot. Going against everything I know not to do. It's a FOMO trade right there. Now we gotta make $40 on the next trade. We're gonna do it. Yeah, she's looking good on the 15 as well. Looking like, I mean, the whole key here, money flow's coming in. You're above VWAP. I don't know if you confirmed it. I mean, she splashed a few times, right? Splashed a few times. Money flow's coming out on the 1, but you're above VWAP. She's looking good on the 1. This is why we watch the reset. Because if she bounces here, the 1 hour, we got 1 minute left. I want to see what this VWAP's gonna do. See if these RSIs can kind of start hugging each other. I'm not sure. Got 45 seconds. Just wait and see. I can't believe I put in short on this. Fucking idiot. That's why you wait for the confirmations. Man, I damn sure thought that VWAP was gonna cross over. Well, dude, I kept it minimum. Kept it down to 20 instead of fucking 50 something. Here it comes. Money flow's coming out. Yeah. Actually not too bad. Money flow is still coming up. You do have the curve, but you could bounce off of it. I mean, I doubt it though. I don't know. It'd be miraculous. It'd be a miraculous feat to see us start pumping again after all this. I'd expect some sort of sideways movement. 4 hour though. 4 hour VWAP's coming up. Money flow's coming up on the 4. She wants to cross over. Trying to pinch a green dot here. Same on the 3 hour. Money flow is in the red. You are getting a green dot though. VWAP has crossed that 0 line. She's over the 0 line. That's a good sign for a bounce. I mean, she could just come repping right back down. RSIs are getting close and tight. Two hour VWAP's over the 0 line. RSIs tight, coming up. Maintenance. Okay. There are 2 hours coming up. It's like you could get a curve to your money flow. You got very deep momentum waves here, right? Momentum is coming up. It's coming up. A lot of bull divs starting to form. Some good bull divs around the 60. Now, could this take you way back up to 100K? I doubt it. I mean, it's possible, right? It's possible, but I doubt it. Nice little, it'll give you a nice little bounce though. It'll give you a nice little bounce. See if we're still holding our intraday here. Yeah, we're still holding pretty well. Looks like we are losing a bit of momentum on the DBSI. You see the VWAP coming down. We could bounce off of it like we did here. Money flow is coming in. DBSI is still pushing up on the 10. It's a key part if we want to see a bounce from here. If we want to put in a long, and like the money flow to start coming back up. We can make sure the intraday VWAP is our support. The 1 hour doesn't look too bad. Money flow's coming up. The 2 hour VWAP's over the 60 line with the green dot. 3 hour VWAP over the 60 line with the green dot. Money flow is coming out, but it's shooting up on the 4 hour here. Now, there's still room for downside. Even we'll see a little pump, and we could see this VWAP come back down, and we'll put in another div, another bull div. It's very possible. But she's looking good for just a little move to the upside, at least just a little something. She's already going. I'm gonna see if the intraday here holds. She's doing all right so far. She is doing all right. Let's check out this noisy little 1 minute. Yeah. As of right now, I mean, it's only been an hour. But as of right now, she's holding the VWAP pretty well. The intraday. Starting to, if you just look from here, she's starting to gain a bullish pattern on this 1 minute. It is a 1 minute now, keep that in mind. Starting to gain bullish pattern on the 1 minute above the VWAP though. If money flow can keep coming in, VWAP's coming down, you can expect a little dip down. Wonder if money flow is going to come out. This will tell us. If money flow does come out, this will tell us exactly what this VWAP is. Looks like she's going to hold. And the money flow could just come down and keep curving up. You can see here. Just keep coming down, curving up. Gonna have to wait and see. But yeah, if you just look at your intraday, right, your VWAP, you're above it, you're holding good, and you're starting to form a bullish structure above your VWAP, your intraday VWAP. Now we only got like 66 minutes worth of data on this intraday, but if we're looking for a bounce, probably what you want to see. But like I said, when this money flow comes out, we'll see what this intraday really is. And this is the 1 minute, keep in mind. Money flow had just come in on the 5. You're getting well above it here on the 5. Now you might come down and splash it just to confirm it as support. And that's just a strong move. That would just be a strong move to the upside. Well, I don't know how strong, but come down here, confirm it with money flow still coming in. Bullish divs. If if we're above the VWAP, if we're above the intraday VWAP on these lower time frames, and we can confirm a green dot with VWAP over the 0 line, the marketcipher B VWAP here, RSI is down and tight, we confirm a green dot, I would feel good about that VWAP holding good support. 50 minutes left. The same as the 3. The 3 is same way. The money flow is in the red, like we pointed out earlier. Looks like the VWAP wants to. I wouldn't be surprised if we start seeing the VWAP on the 4 hour come over the 0 line and start putting in another green dot. That's a pretty deep green dot, and it's working off some bull divs. Working off some real nice bull divs on the 4 hour. So it's looking like this would be a good place. There's a lot of volume around the 92 areas, 90K area. A good place to hold. Money flow's coming up. Good bull divs on the 1 hour. See, there she goes. Damn, she's wicking right down to it. What's the VWAP gonna do? This is gonna tell us more downside. Money flow's coming out. What's the 5? VWAP's coming under. Money flow just came up. Doesn't look like it's gonna be that thick. It's coming on down. She wicked right down to the VWAP. Let's see if that money flow is going to keep curving up, or are we going to lose the VWAP and have another leg down? There goes all your bullish structure above that VWAP. Money flow is coming out. That might have been it. That might be all you get. Wonder if she's gonna hold this. Could be the splash. Could be your little splash down. I have to look at the 5 and the 10. You need the VWAP to keep coming, curving back up with that money flow coming back up. See, this could be your splash. We see a general direction to the upside on money flow and VWAP. That 10 minute though. If we're below the VWAP and this 10 minute money flow keeps coming out at 8 minutes, confirm it though. Like that might be the bounce. That might be all you get. Alright, well that'll do it for me. I'm gonna turn off the stream and get in my own zone and see if I can't do a little something. I appreciate everybody tuning in. Hope everyone has a blessed day. We'll be back first thing in the morning to see what the markets did.